Hi, Crafty Patty here. I'm so excited because today we've got this gorgeous, beautiful, hot day in Canada. I know in the States you guys get lots of nice weather and you make all this wonderful sun tea. So today I get to do it and I'm going to show you how I make my sun tea. I have an 8-liter jug here with a spigot that I'm going to make a large batch of regular tea bags, organic tea bags. And I went into my recycle bin and I grabbed these out because I'm going to make some herbal blends for the people who don't like to have caffeine. And then it's going to be your choice of what you like to sweeten with. I don't care to use white sugar, so I'll probably be using honey, or you can use stevia, or whatever your choice of sweetener is if you want a sweeter tea. I'm also going to make one little jar for me, just so I can use my cozies. I've also got some frozen berries. You can choose what you like, blackberries, strawberries, blueberries, whatever you like. I've got fresh lemon and lime. I've got fresh mint. I've got purified water. And the choice of teas that you like for herbal or for regular black tea. So let's make up some wonderful tea before the sun goes so I can get it out there. I've got about 4 to 5 hours left of sunshine, so let's get started. If you're using the glass jars with a spigot, reach in and just make sure that the bolt is really tightly screwed on, otherwise this will leak. After 4 hours, my 1-liter jars, they're ready to go. I'm going to leave my large 8-liter container for another hour or 2. I've now brought the sun tea inside as the sun was going down. Oh. These 1-liter containers with 2 bags all worked great. I've tried a sample of them and the intensity of the flavor is right where we want it to be. As far as the larger container, it was an 8-liter container. I didn't quite have enough hours to brew this as long as it should have. And the next time I do it, I would have put in a lot more tea bags. I've got 5 tea bags in here. I probably should have used 8 to 10 for this 8-liter container. The flavor's still good, it's just not as strong as I probably like it to be. Here where I live, the sun wasn't intense enough, but I gave it a try anyways, but it's still tasty. So how am I going to serve this? Remember that little one I made just for myself? This was the vanilla rooibos. What I'm going to do is I'm going to strain out the fruit that I've added in the tea bag by using a strainer and a pitcher or any glass that's got a spout on it. I've filled up another canning jar with some ice, and I'll just pour the tea right over my ice because I want to drink it now. And how about a little garnish? A little bit of lemon and a bit of a mint leaf. And I've put my cozy on so I don't have the wet condensation of the nice cold drink. And let's give this a try. That's very refreshing. It's not very sweet, but that's what I chose. If you want to have a sweet tea, add the sweetener of your choice, honey, stevia, or whatever you want to add to make it sweet. And if you want to make some of these darling cozies for your canning jars so you keep the condensation away and it's nice and comfortable for holding, just check in the description below and there's a link there to show you how to make these. For my 1 liter containers, I quickly just grabbed a little piece of paper or the actual tea label and put it on the lid so I remembered which brand was in each jar. What I'm going to do is I'm going to strain this as well, just like I did this one, and then I'm going to refrigerate it. Then tomorrow for the gathering, I will be putting ice to top it up so it's ready to go for serving. What I also did was I went on my computer and I made up some little labels so the guests will know what's in each jar and what they're drinking. So I just wrote on homemade sun tea and the actual name of this one, which is wild berry zinger, and I'll just attach that to the containers so everybody knows what they're drinking. So that's my version of how I made sun tea where I live. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you got some ideas, some different flavors. And if you've got some ideas, by all means, put a comment below. I'd love to hear what you do and how you make it. And I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. And we'll see you next time for many more great videos from Crafty Patty.